this video, I'll show you how to install or replace ink cartridges for the Epson XP-3200 printer. Rotate the printer to the left or right and open the lid by lifting this handle here. Now we need to tell the printer that we want to change the cartridges, otherwise the ink trays will just stay here to the right and you won't be able to access them. So we can do that by coming to the control panel, and you want to navigate to the settings option, which is the sixth one across, then press OK. And from here you want to select maintenance and then scroll to the fifth option, which is ink cartridge replacement. Press OK. Press OK once again. And now you need to press this button here to get the ink trays to become available. Once you press that button, they're going to slide back and forth for a bit, and then eventually they'll rest here. So if you're installing the ink for the first time, remove them from the packaging, and you'll see that they have this yellow strip at the side just here. Go ahead and remove it. Then with the black ink, it's advised to give it a few shakes before you use it. And now we'll put the black ink into its allocated position. So you want to rest it in like this and then give it one final push down so that it clicks into place. And we'll now do the same with the yellow. So give it one firm press down so you can hear it click, and that's how you know it's installed correctly. Here is the magenta. Now to replace the ink cartridges, I'll use the cyan here as an example. There is this clicker at the front. You want to press it in to release it. So I will click it, and now you simply just take it out. I'll do the same with the yellow one. So press the click at the front and then just lift it straight up. Finally, to close the lid, you just want to lift it up, then release it down, and then lift it up again and release it, and the lid is now fully closed. So come over to your printer's control panel and press on this button here to start checking the ink cartridges. You'll then see that it's under maintenance while it checks the cartridges, so you just need to wait around 4 minutes. And here we have confirmation that the replacement is complete. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.